Welcome back to a special police case file. From holiday speed runs and dark alleys with no escape to the moment the law tightens its grip, every second becomes a line between control and collapse. Watch closely, because some truths only surface when the sirens begin to scream. On the night of the 22nd of November 2025 in Miami Beach, FLUS, police spotted a young man carrying his girlfriend on a red motorcycle without a license plate. He twisted the throttle into narrow alleys, kicking off a crazy police chase. The pursuit ended in a fiery crash. "Get down! Don't move!" U.S. police shouted as they immediately took him into custody. Running only leads to injuries and charges, not freedom.
Vira de costa, deita, vira de costa, vira de costa. Qual que é o breu da moto? Vira de costa. Qual que é o breu da moto? Qual que é o breu da moto? Por que você correu? Troca ideia.
E aí, emocionado?
Vira aí. Era você ter trocado ideia.
Tá bem?
Aí, ó, o prejuízo que você deu pra sua mina, o prejuízo que você deu pra você.
Para essa p***! Para essa moto!
On the 1st of January 2025 in Daytona Beach, FL, the Florida Highway Patrol, FHP, spotted a young man riding a Honda CB 250F without a license plate. "Pull over now." He darted into narrow alleys, igniting a crazy police chase. suspect was taken into custody by FHP in a dead-end alley while pushing the bike. A moment of recklessness led to serious penalties, vehicle seizure, and unavoidable legal consequences.
Já era.
Fica deitado no chão. Já era. Copom, apoio, Copom! Sai! 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 Sai daqui! Segura. Cala sua boca. Beleza? Dá sua mão. Pra trás sua mão. Pra trás.
Tem novidades com a equipe. Integridade física da patrulha está preservada.
Você acha que você pilota?
The 8th of September 2025, Ashtabula, OH. County deputies pursued Jerry Pegram riding a Harley-Davidson without a license plate. He chose to flee, kicking off a crazy police chase.
Heads up forward. What to do? Stop. Approaching the engine, coming to a stop. Please, Bill Anderson.
At the Stanhope Kellogg'sville intersection, he lost control. The bike slid and burst into flames. He abandoned it and ran into nearby brush, trying to escape.
Before the bike is caught on fire, if you can send fire.
Jerry Pegram produced a firearm and threatened officers. Then was the situation ended with a fatal officer-involved shooting at the scene.
I got a firearm.
Are you out there?
I'm good. I called shots fired.
On the 12th of March 2022, along Pacific Coast Highway CA, police spotted a Kawasaki Versys X300 committing a violation. Instead of stopping, the rider chose to twist the throttle and run.
Entrou na palmeira.
He weaved wildly through a densely populated neighborhood. This crazy police chase officially began as he showed total disregard for the law and for other people's lives.
As viaturas começam a chegar no apoio.
He flew over speed bumps as if airborne. An officer shouted over the radio. The suspect is extremely reckless, requesting immediate support to block ahead. Tensions were running high. The gap closed meter by meter as the suspect kept accelerating and trying to evade. What do you think about this choice? Are a few short minutes of running really worth risking your life? He used the higher ground clearance of the Kawasaki Versys to hop the curb, a crafty tactic to shake pursuit, but U.S. police aren't that easy to fool. Sirens ripped through the air. Pressure weighed heavily on the handlebars as mistakes began to stack up. You're not getting away. Police patience had run out. Entering the turn too wide at high speed, the Kawasaki's rear tire slid across the pavement. The laws of physics defeated his lack of riding skill.